Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 GMC Terrain SLE all-wheel drive. Stock number Z6948XX. 78,000 miles in this Terrain. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Carbon black metallic in color. The Terrain is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. Additional storage cubbies on both sides, along with additional power outlet. And very clean, as you can see. No dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Upgraded Pioneer sound system. Power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, along with economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allow you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead auto dimming mirror, and that's where that backup camera display is. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6948XX to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.